morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elvira Aprilia. You can call me Vira. I am a student of accounting at Polytechnic Negeri Padang. The topic of my presentation today is indirect taxes in business. The purpose of the presentation is to explain what indirect taxes are and how they impact business operation. This is important because indirect taxes influence pricing, profit, and compliance requirements for business. The main point I will be talking about are: firstly, what indirect taxes are; secondly, the types of indirect taxes; next, how indirect taxes affect businesses. Finally, we are going to look at how businesses can manage indirect taxes effectively. Before we go into indirect taxes, let me explain the difference between direct and indirect taxes. Direct taxes are paid directly by individuals or business to the government. Examples include income tax and corporate tax. Versus indirect taxes are paid indirectly through intermediaries like retail or service providers. Let's start with the definition of indirect taxes. What are indirect taxes? Indirect taxes are collected by an intermediary, such as a retailer or supplier, from the person who ultimately bears the cost, the customer. Examples include value-added tax, sales tax, and excise duty. Now let's move on to the types of indirect taxes. There are several types of indirect taxes. Value-added tax, carried is tax of production and distribution. Next, sales tax, paid by consumers when they purchase goods. Then, excise duty, taxes on specific goods like alcohol, tobacco, and fuel. Finally, custom duty, taxes on imported goods. Each type is applied differently depending on the goods, services, or transaction involved. Now let's move on to how indirect taxes affect businesses. Indirect taxes influence pricing strategies, cost structure, and customer demand. They must be included in pricing collected from customers and reported to the authorities. Incorrect handling can lead to penalties and audits. Let me elaborate on that. For example, if a company forgets to collect value-added tax on a sale, it might have to pay that amount from its own revenue ladder. Finally, let's look at how business can manage indirect taxes. Businesses can manage indirect taxes by using accounting software, next training staff on tax compliance, then consulting with tax professionals, finally keeping accurate and up-to-date record. I'm going to conclude that indirect taxes play a significant role in business. First, they affect pricing and customer behavior. Second is businesses must comply with tax regulation. Third is proper management helps reduce financial and legal risk. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Do you have any question?